Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today I have my very first Macy's beauty subscription box. The Macy's beauty subscription box, if you're not familiar with it, is a $15 a month subscription. In this subscription you will get deluxe samples, which should be at least a few uses per sample versus a little foil pack of a single use item. So deluxe samples of products from everything you can buy at Macy's in their beauty department. So there's no telling what category that we'll be getting. We'll find out. Also included in the box, you will get a coupon to use in the beauty department at Macy's. If there's anything that you like out of the sample box that you get, there's always a category of the full-size items on their website under your subscription. So you can just click on it and order the full size of anything that you like and use the coupon if you want. It is $15 a month plus shipping. Mine was $16 and change after shipping. So, or it might have just been taxes and free shipping. In any case, it was $15 plus a dollar something, so probably taxes. So it was $15 plus tax on this box, and you just go to the website. I'll put the link below to sign up for the beauty subscription box. I signed up for my subscription in November, and I didn't get my first box until this month. It did tell me when I signed up that my first shipment would be January, so apparently I got in too late to get the December box, and I got, or bag, whatever that's in here, this stuff. It would be the January. Now I don't know if there's always a month wait for that, but for me there was. I did want to mention, I just uploaded a video on heatless curl tips, and this is last night's heatless curl overnight. This is from the wrap, the pink wrap, the first part of the video. So I got a lot of good curl out of that. It's halfway through my day and I'm still loaded with curls. So I think it works great. Check out the video if you haven't. So let's look inside and see what's in our Macy's beauty box. I did go ahead and open the box, but I haven't pulled apart the tissue that's inside. So this is how it came. And the box kind of unfolds as you get. It's kind of like an origami box, but it came wrapped in beautiful tissue paper. This is my coupon. So this is a $5 coupon that I can use on a $20 or more beauty purchase. And I can use this anytime between December 29th, which obviously has passed, and February 23rd. So you get almost 2 months to use it when you get it. So that's really cool. So in our box, I'm just going to pull this out and see what's in here. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. There are several items in here. So I'm just going to start with the first thing I'm grabbing. The first thing is from Belief. This is an Aqua Bomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer. So this is from Belief. And this is going to be a 30 ml size, a 1 ounce sample. So a very deluxe size sample for this. And good size too. So that's a really nice item. And this one is, it has skin brightening niacinamide, so very cool. The next one is from Avia, AVYA Advanced Avure, I cannot pronounce that word, skincare daily essentials. This is honey and amber deep cleansing exfoliating scrub. Oh, nice. I love a good scrub. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. This is an exfoliating scrub. Very nice. And this is a 1 ounce sample as well. So when they say they're giving you deluxe samples, they really are. I didn't find anything that gave an idea of the number of samples that you should be guaranteed in any month, but there are a lot in here. We'll count them up when we're done. The next thing is from Clearance. This is a Cryo Flash Cream Mask, and this is a little one. This is an 8 ml little sample, and this is a instant tightening and firming glow booster. Ooh, that sounds enticing. So a very exciting one. Hopefully a single use on this will show me what it's going to do for me, but that sounds really nice. The next thing we have is from Kopari, and this is an Ultra Restore Body Butter. So this is a body cream from Kopari. And this says it has hyaluronic acid in it as well. So really nice hand cream in a 1 ounce sample for that one. The next one, I'm going to pull off the bottom because it looks super cute. This is I'm Lovely Ginger Snap Hand Mask from Tony Moly. That is so cute. And I got a hand mask in a recent unboxing and I haven't used it yet. I said I was going to use it that night and I did not follow through with that. So now I've got two. I'm going to try these out and see how they work. Okay, the next one looks like, I'm going to say this has to be a bath bomb, but I'm trying to read. It's from Lovery. Okay, so I had to hold this in the light to read it, but this is a lavender bath bomb, and this is a small little bath bomb. It's kind of lustery, so I wonder if it's going to give any luster to the water. I can't really smell it. It's wrapped in plastic, but I love a bath bomb, so that's cool. In addition to the deluxe samples, you'll always get a couple of perfume samples. This one is from Versace. This one is Dylan Purple. I have never smelled this one. The full-size bottle looks like it'd be super pretty. This is a floral, fruity, musky scent. I'm not sure about the musky part, but I like floral and fruity, so let's take a sniff of this one. Oh, that is really nice. I will say it's a lot softer. I don't really pick up a lot of the citrus notes that are supposed to be the top notes on it, but it is a really nice fragrance, so that's a nice one. I do like Versace perfume. I have the Bright Crystal is one of my favorites. Okay, this is Paradox from Prada. And this one, I'm sorry, this one is the Eau de Parfum. And this one is the Eau de Parfum versus the Eau de Toilette. The different types of formulas will give you a more intense fragrance. Some are more alcohol-based, some are more oil-based. The parfums are generally oil-based versus eau de toilette will have an alcohol base, which evaporates faster. So the parfum will last longer on you will last longer on the fragrance than at the eau de toilette will. Oh, that was nice. This one is florals, woody fragrances, and white musk. That one's really nice. I like both of these. I have to wear a perfume before I know if I can actually use it for very long. Depending on how it reacts with my body chemistry, it will smell different. There's one I love the fragrance of, but I can't wear it because when I put it on, it stinks on me. So I don't wear that one, although it smells good on anybody else. All right, so that was our Macy's box for January. In this, we got 6 deluxe samples, plus the 2 perfume samples, and the $5 coupon. I say this is well worth our $15 investment in some wonderful samples. I can get some really good use out of these 1-ounce ones. They're going to give you a lot of opportunity to see if you like the products or not. I really am glad I signed up for this one. So we'll see what comes next month. Again, I'll put the link below for you guys if you want to try out the Macy's Beauty Box. But thank you so much for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and like the video if you do. Give me some comments and feedback of what you liked, what you didn't like, if you've tried any of these yourself. But I want to thank you so much again for joining, and you guys have a great rest of your day.